What's up, fam bam? I have been missing in action. Well, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. And I have some amazing things to show you today. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and share this video. Like it if you enjoy what you see today. So let's get into it. Well, you guys, today I have a product that is new. It was just released for the spring in our spring catalog. And I've been using it because I'm the type of person, I like to use a product first before I can introduce it to anybody else. So I have been trying our new clinical solutions boosters. There's two boosters. They have one that's a hydrator for the skin and another one that has vitamin C. I'm going to show you these products, and I am not going to claim at all that I know what's in these products. I am just not that type of girl. I'm going to tell you about the product because I use it, and I'll tell you how I use the product, and we'll just go on from there. So let me tell you what I have been using. These two beautiful things, these two beautiful babies. Let me turn it around so you can see what it looks like. Man, I love both of them. I have been using it along with our retinol 0.5. And you know that retinol is known for helping to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles in your skin. So I've been using it along with this set, and this is the Calm Restore Facial Milk that you can, it's like a moisturizer, okay? It helps soothe the skin. But anyway, I have been using these oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna pour, this is the Clinical Solutions HA CERAMIDE Hydrator. So it's like for, you can get extra moisture up on your skin. I'm going to pull a little bit on the back of my hand just so you could see how it goes. I'm gonna put a little drop here, just so you could see it, and rub it on the back of my hand. I'm telling you, and it's so nice and soft, and it hydrates right into your skin. Look at that. I love it. So that's the hydrator. And this one says it has hyaluronic acid in two forms. Takes a dual action approach to combating dry skin. So if you are one with dry skin, this baby right here is going to help. And I just put it on the back of my hand. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. It also has CERAMIDE, a critical component of the stratum corneum, which helps improve skin hydration and support normal barrier functions. It also has verbena officinalis extract, which supports skin's natural production of natural moisturizing factors. So it's a very hydrating solution, okay? So the next one is the C+ resveratrol line reducer. Let me tell you, those of you who are beginning, because I got these smile lines that I do not like, so I've been doing everything I possibly can to hide them little lines right there. So I started including this booster, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom on this hand over here. Just one little drop so you can get an idea of what it looks like. I just put like a little dot here. And what I do is I take it and I just pat it all over my face, everywhere, my neck, everywhere where I know that I'm seeing the signs of aging. These two boosters are amazing. Now, the thing with these boosters, remember, I'm saying that they are boosters. So you need to have a regular skincare routine for when you're using this product. And when I say that, not just using soap and water on your face, a routine, having a skincare product that you use on a daily basis that helps reduce signs of aging. Now, if you are not on any type of program or you're just using soap and water on your face right now, we do have, I'm just going to show you one set, which is our TIMEWISE Repair. This product is for women that are 50 plus years old. It comes with a foaming cleanser, a lifting serum, like a Value Firm lifting serum. You get a night cream and a day cream. The night cream has retinol in it. The day cream has SPF 30, and you also get an eye cream. So you want to be on a skincare regimen just so you can see the benefits of the product. It works if you follow the steps. Okay, so I also wanted to let you know that the clinical solutions, our TIMEWISE Repair, when you see this symbol on any product and it says developed by Mary Kay and it's dermatologist validated, meaning that these products have been tested by dermatologists. So the products are good, and using the right skincare routine and and these products for the boosters, you will see the change or the look of appearance that you're trying to get. So if you're one that maybe you haven't been on any skincare and you want to start a routine, it's okay. Start off with the routine first and then slowly move into getting the supplements in there to enhance what you're trying to do to your skin. Some people are looking to even their skin, and some just want to reduce the signs of aging. Or if they have dark circles under their eyes, they're trying to, get rid of the dark circles too. But the key is also having a routine that you do in the morning and at night when you go to bed. It's so important to wash your face in the morning and before you go to bed. If you're going outside and you're going out into the environment, you want to make sure you're cleaning your face and washing the environmental product stuff that's outside. You want to get it off of your face, right? So now that I have talked to you guys about the skincare products, I wanted to let you guys know something that I really have been thinking about doing with the channel. And I think I'm going to start another YouTube channel where I will talk about or have something where I, everyday lifestyle, and then just have this channel be my skincare products and, makeup application. So that's something that I am working on and thinking about making some changes on. But thank you for watching, and I hope my video was very helpful. And if you have any questions that you have about the products that I presented to you today, please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section. In the description box, I also have some information as to where you can purchase these products if you're interested in purchasing any of the products. So have an amazing day, and God bless you.